So all last night and early this morning, I was getting messages that my 12-volt battery in my Nissan Leaf was at 0%. You can see this, the battery tracker telling me this information. And then this morning, it was saying that it was back up to 18%. Oh no, that's at 1:30 this afternoon. 18% it went up to, and the car was not plugged in. Okay, it just did it on its own. So you would say, oh, so the DC to DC is working, but usually it does not work. I don't know. Maybe it's like it's half dead. Okay, so then it's at 146. It's at 25%. Rid of this. Oh, 206 at 37%. Okay. Oh, 244, 28%. Then at 8:30, and here we go. Okay, so I'm in the car right now. The last time I had it started was 55 hours ago. Okay. It says it's 0%, it's 11.77 volts. All right. I have the wiper blade clicked on one notch because I've found that the wiper, if it's on, forces the 12-volt system to grab more voltage from the traction battery. Okay. So I'm going to leave it on. I'm going to leave it on because I think it actually helps me to start the car. All right. All right. So we're going to check it right now. See if this works. Let me put the, well, I don't know if you can't really see. I don't want to put the light on in the car, but so I'm in the car. Here's the pedals. I know you can't see it, but well, I'm hitting it, and you can feel like there's pressure. Usually, if there is no pressure, like if the pedal goes to the floor, it will not start whatsoever. Okay, but it feels like I have some pressure. You could see that it by me pumping the brakes, it does something. See what it does to the battery? Oh God, all these damn pop-ups. So it definitely does something to the battery. Look at that. Ooh, it brings it down. Well, it kind of makes sense, right? It brings it down. All right, let me try and start it. And it started up. All right, started up. Look at that. Here's this thing here, 14.62. That's because I have the wipers on. If I turn the wipers off, that's going to go to 13 something. And now it's fully charging up. Awesome. And the battery says it's at 68%. And I don't know. I need to move this car today. It's Sunday right now. I need to move it tomorrow at 1:30 in the afternoon. Let me see what the weather says it's going to be at night. So it says it's going to get, let's see, Jersey, it's 43 right now. It's not bad. But at 6 a.m. it's going to be 29. It's not so bad. And tomorrow it's going to be 37. It's not going to be that warm, but it is going to go up to 40 at 3 p.m. tomorrow. I may still not have problems starting it tomorrow as well. I think later in the week, it doesn't look too bad. It's not that cold. You know, it's the lowest one is next Sunday at 27. It's not that bad. I think I'm going to have really bad problems on this when it gets down to 10 degrees. Then I have real bad problems. But maybe we're gone. Maybe we don't have 10 degrees anymore. Maybe it's totally gone. I don't know. 26 today is pretty damn low, and it just started up. It's fine. So I don't know. Maybe I'm past the cold that kills the battery. All right, what does it say now? It's 100%, and it's 14.27. The question is, do I leave it running all night long? Who knows? But I think I'm going to push it forward so people can park behind me. All right. Let me move forward. I'm going to move a couple cars forward. I have another Leaf. You guys know. I have another Leaf. Let me go. Where's my keys? Right here. I'm going to go and move the other Leaf forward. And then move this one right on top of it. And that means somebody can fit behind this car. There's 6 parking spots in front of my building. And I try not to take all of them. We take a good 4 to 5 of them, me and my neighbor. So if I squeeze all my cars on top of each other, somebody else can fit. Somebody in the neighborhood can fit behind on the last spot. But eventually, when I get the Aptara, that's going to be gone. You know, that's how it's going to be gone. I'm going to take them all. And then eventually, when I get the Cybertruck, most likely this Leaf will be gone. I'm sorry, Mr. Leaf, but it's. I'm sorry, you buy gas, but eventually the Cybertruck is going to come, and one of the Leafs is going to disappear, and that's it. What can you do? But then at that point, I'll have Cybertruck, Aptara, old Leaf, and the Model Y. So that's cool. All right, cool. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.